Hello, everybody. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, pre-market live show, and let's look at the zones. You can see S&P 500 futures are coming close to the buy zone, just touching the buy zone. It's almost 8:40 Eastern here. Just touched the buy zone, 44.82. I can show you levels on ES. Some people look at ES, so you can see levels on ES 44.87. This has delay of 15 minutes, but you can see on ES level is 44.87 and below. This is where you don't want to short, okay? This is where you want to buy, you want to go long, and I think today will be a good opportunity to buy this, and then it's gonna rip higher. My targets are neutral line 44.99, and the other target is 44.14. So from today's where we are now, as of now, I think we should go at least 0.5, 0.4% here to neutral line. We can even go to 0.7%, so all the way up here. The reason I think we can go up is because of dollar. You can see dollar is probably you can see between neutral and sell zone. So I think throughout the session, dollar should drop, and that will help gold and gold miners to go up. You can see gold is also in the buy zone. You can see also Bitcoin also very close to the buy zone, 25,671. Here is where you should be looking to buy. Again, going back to S&P 500, looking for keep an eye on 4482 on SPY, which is a cash index pre-market. Also, you can see very close to the buy zone. You can place an order 447.55 here and below. This is where if market opens, we are here. You should be looking to buy. We should be looking for a bounce now. And my targets are here, 456.18. I'm not sure if we're going to achieve it in one day, but maybe all week we can receive 1.81%. That's my target, okay? And Nasdaq 100, it's near neutral zone, but below neutral zone and in the buy zone. This is where you should be looking to buy. Targets are 15,701, and on triple Qs, the target, there are two gap fills from where we are now, 382.76 and 385.33. So first target is around 1.53%, second target is around 2.23%. Dow Jones already in the buy zone, so DIA ETF, which is for Dow Jones, you can see touching the buy target 346.17 and below. You can watch my mouse. This is where the target is to buy. And Russell 2000 green, just bouncing slightly from the buy zone, and the target for IWM is 186.85. That's where we are right now. Okay, and let's keep going. Gold I already covered. Silver is getting to the buy zone 23.13 and below, look to buy silver. Gold again 1923 and below, look to buy gold. Natural gas massive down. You can see it was in the buy zone. I told people to buy here, and then it went to the neutral zone, and now it's coming back to the buy zone. So natural gas is good time to buy. 2.66 and below, look to buy. UNG is the ETF you can use to trade natural gas. You can see it now, it's below this gap fill, and it's in the buy zone right now. Crude oil in the middle, which is in the neutral zone. Massive pump yesterday. You can see there was a news with from Russia, like stopping the supply, OPEC plus lowering the production output. So massive pump. Now it's all giving it back. I think it's going to come all the way down. 85.1 and below, look to buy crude oil. Bitcoin looking like it's coming to the buy zone again. 25,671 and below, this is the area you want to buy Bitcoin. And also on daily chart, let's quickly see if anything else changed. You can see holding support nicely. This one is green signal here, buy signal, and PPO green is above red line. So we are on support on Bitcoin, and this is why you don't short. Okay, you either wait for the support to break, wait for a red dot, which I'll let you know if I get it tomorrow, um, or end of day today, or wait for green line to cross below red line to short. You don't want to short on support, you want to short at resistance. All right, again going back to the indicator, and here you go, 1 minute chart. So again, 25,671, 25,600, and 25,553, these are the buy zones on Bitcoin. Ethereum in the neutral zone around 1631, so look to buy below 1624, 1619, and 1614. These are the area you want to buy. And if it gets bounced in the middle, that's a neutral zone, and then the sell zone is 1638 and up. Let's look at stocks pre-market. Let's see if there's any scenarios of buying. Let me fix this. Give me a second. Here you go. Just want to make sure I have some more percentage room here. Okay. All Apple is in the middle, neutral zone. Let's look at red stocks. I think that's better. Amazon is also in the middle, neutral zone. All the tech stocks are probably in the middle to the sell zone, so we can just ignore this. Hang Seng Index, let's look at it. It's in the neutral zone. If it falls below 18,294 and below, that will be good area to buy. Let's look at commodities. Copper is just touching the buy zone, 3.80 and below. Look to buy copper. Palladium also just touching the buy zone, 1192 and below. Look to buy. Wheat, it was in buy zone. I was telling everybody to buy last couple of days, touch multiple times. Now it's in the neutral zone. It could go higher in the sell zone. If it goes here, this is a good time to take profits. Corn also near sell zone, so wait for it to come back. Soybeans is also, it's near neutral zone. Sugar is in near sell zone, so ignore anything with sugar. Let's look at gold miners. Newmont Mine, biggest gold miner. It's 1% down because of dividends, but it's in the buy zone. Gold miners already in the buy zone, 28.54. There's a gap around 28, 27.97 to be exact. So from where we are now to that gap, it's around 1.67%. So keep an eye on that. That will be a good area to buy. Let's look at sectors which were red yesterday. Healthcare sector in the buy zone, so all healthcare stocks looking good. XLU already in the buy zone. Utilities near third standard deviation, best time to buy. Industrial stocks also in the buy zone. There's a gap around 106.9 that should be filling. Real estate sector also touching the buy zone, 36.61 and below. Look to buy. Financials touching the buy zone, 34.18 and below. Look to buy. KRE regional bank ETF, 44.16 and below. Look to buy. Okay, now let's move and check anything else. Any other stocks which in the morning are in the buy zone? Nike touching the buy zone, 99.79 and below. Look to buy. Home Depot is not there. McDonald's, yeah, McDonald's already in the buy zone, this pre-market. Let's see what else is there. Honeywell is already in the buy zone. MasterCard, not yet. Verizon or Visa, no. Procter and Gamble is already in the buy zone, and this gap is filled, so we can delete this. Starbucks in the buy zone. Uber, not yet in the buy zone. Verizon, just touching the buy zone. Pre-market. Thales already in the buy zone. Bell is in the buy zone. Coca-Cola is in the buy zone. Walmart, not yet. BRKB, not yet. Healthcare providers, ABBV in the buy zone. CVS Health in the buy zone. Pfizer in the buy zone. UNH, biggest stock of healthcare, still not in the buy zone. And let's see, Chinese index, Alibaba. Now Baidu is also away. MCHI is also away. Let's look at Canadian banks. Let's see. I don't have any pre-market action going on, but I think most of them were in the buy zone. Royal Bank, TD, BNS. BNS is not in the buy zone. CM is also. National Bank is in the buy zone. And let's look at American banks. JP Morgan in the buy zone. Citigroup is in coming close to buy zone, 40.91 and below. Goldman Sachs in the buy zone, Bank of America in the buy zone, CP Rail, they're all in the neutral. Ambridge, yeah, this was what I should be looking to. Let's see daily chart. This is looking very interesting. It's the biggest natural gas stock in Canada, and you can see opening right at the bottom, which is Thursday, 28th of April, right at the bottom, okay? Opening right with a big gap down. Looking very, very interesting to me. I might be looking to buy this right away on the market open. Very interesting. Enbridge. So keep an eye on this, guys. So this big gap down, definitely that will be very interesting. And uh, there's a lot of room. So if we open on a big gap down to gap up, almost 8% upside, okay? And opening right on support here. So very, very good time to buy Enbridge. So I'm going to move this probably to the top and keep an eye. I might be looking to buy. This is a great chance for you. If you guys are watching this show, great opportunity to buy Enbridge. Um, all right, let's see any growth stocks. Lucid, no. Nikola, Riot, no. Yeah, everything is either in the middle. SE, yeah, still not in the buy zone. Okay, all right, guys. So let's see. Again, it's starting to bounce little. US 500, US 100, also in the neutral zone. Lakhwinder, I saw your message. This indicator is a custom indicator. It's not available in TradingView. Well, it is. I had to code it myself, so you won't be able to find this indicator. But anyhow, okay. All right, guys. Good luck with this session. And yeah, if there's anything, let me know. Do join. There's a description. There's a Discord link in the description of this video. So do join my channel. You can chat with me. It's a free chat link server. And yeah, and if you like these updates, please subscribe. Thank you.